So we're gonna do today, we're gonna see how much, if we can finish this panel. Got a bunch more boards cut. That's our plan today. So we'll mix these up a bit. We got some off colors and some white ones, so we'll go like two, like 1, 2, and kind of mix them up. Create some
bit down here.
Yeah. The boards are a little thicker.
Well, you got no control over the pallets you get. I mean, we get what we get.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everything's all warmed up now? We're good to go?
I think we're good.
Okay. Well, we've got some over here that are different thicknesses too. What?
Oh,
What?
it's thicker.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you want the first one I was gonna hand you?
Just hang on a second. 3 1/4. Is there any there 3 1/4?
Yeah, those are threes.
May have to rip one of these.
Oh, this is, yeah, because this is almost 4.
Any boards thinner than that all the way across? No, to your right.
I know, just a sec. You said 3 3/4?
Yeah, 3 1/4.
3 1/4.
No, they're too.
Yeah.
That's 3 1/4, but it's too thin.
Okay.
Any of them
These
boards-
are
any of them
thinner.
boards to your left, the ones we just cut, is there any of them?
No.
They're all the same?
Yeah. They're all 3 and almost a half. They're just shy of a half. This guy is 3 3/4, and he's a little thicker than these guys. These guys are really thin.
Yeah,
These guys are thicker.
that's 3 1/4.
Yeah.
Take a look. See what it looks like.
You can always take it down and put something else up if you can find a better board.
I should cut one of these.
Okay.
I should do.
Well, you want to just rip one?
Yeah.
Well, we did bring the
I
sauce.
did bring the sauce.
Did you want that little table for cutting? Do you have an extension cord?
Thank
Is it the right thickness?
Yeah.
Looks like it. Because I couldn't get the case open.
Get the right thickness. It'd be nice to have a hand plane, but don't have a hand plane.
Over, oh, out here, yeah. Got lots at home, but none here. Yep, that'll work. That one good, or do you want a dark one?